guys, it's your favorite greñuda here again with another recipe for you. We're gonna be doing chicken thighs and chicken drumsticks today in the oven. Super good, super crispy, something that your kids will love. My kids surely like it. So let's get to it. Ingredients that we are going to use is black pepper, garlic salt, Cajun seasoning, smoked paprika, Lawry seasoning salt, and avocado oil. Remember, you can use whatever type of oil that you have. You're gonna start off by giving your chicken a good rinse. Sometimes there's still a little bit of feathers, which you want to go ahead and pluck out and just give your chicken a good rinse. And then once you've done that, go ahead and pat it dry. Okay, now that we have our chicken, I only made half. The other half I'm gonna go ahead and just put in the freezer. My family is a family of 4, so if your family is bigger, then I would make the full 2 packs. So now that we let it dry, or you've had it dry, you can start putting it on here. You're gonna get a sheet and line it with foil. You want to make sure most of it is dry, so you can go back and just give it a pat. And then you're going to get your avocado oil or any oil you have and just drizzle it. And go ahead and just rub that in. And you're going to flip them. And you're gonna add a little more. And rub that in again. And don't worry about this. Yes, I do disinfect them after. So let me go in with, I do half salt, garlic salt, and I do the other half Lawry salt. So I'll do 1/2 garlic salt, and the paprika I add to everything. I love paprika. I love the color it gives it. I love it on potatoes. It's delicious. So don't be scared about the paprika or how much you add it on. This one is not spicy, it's more for color, and it gives that smoky flavor. Then the Lawry's for the other side. Remember, one side is garlic salt, one side is Lawry's, or it's up to you. If you want to do all of it garlic salt or all of it Lawry seasoning. That pepper, make sure you spread that pepper all around. Like I said before, my family loves the pepper. And then the Cajun seasoning, again, sometimes it can be a little spicy for kids. So what I do is only put it on the Lawry side. But oh my God, you get that rosemary and oh. I wish you guys could smell this. Oh my God. So now you're gonna go ahead and flip it over. Flip all your pieces over. Everything. And you're gonna go ahead and do the same thing you just did, but on the other side. So here you go. Garlic salt. Lawry's on the other side. And don't take off this fat, the part of the skin. This is what's gonna make your chicken super crispy. What did I do? Oh, I did this one, right? And not this one. Cajun black pepper. There we go. And then you're gonna flip them with the skin on top. You see how the skin is? So it's gonna be facing up. So we're gonna turn it and make sure this part is facing up because we want that to get super, super crispy. So you can go ahead, just pull it over, turn them around, make all that crispy. And what I like to do is I like to always put the big pieces in the middle and the little ones on the outside. That way I know they get cooked all the way through. And then at this time while you're seasoning, you can go ahead and prep your oven to 350. Now, it depends on your oven. Not everybody's oven is the same. Some people's gets hot quick, some people it takes forever. Mine is a good oven. So that's why I put it at 350. If not, I recommend you putting it for 375. So now that they're all flipped, I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit more paprika. I just love the color. Look how nicely seasoned these look. Don't be scared of over seasoning these. They should be okay. I'm also gonna pair my chicken with some baked potato. All you do is wash your potato, get some foil, wrap it up, and it's ready. You can leave these for about half an hour to 45 minutes. These are pretty small. This one's a lot bigger. So this one I would leave for about 40 minutes. I like it super soft. That's why. But if not, you can check between 30 to 40 minutes. Chicken in the oven at 325. And then I'm gonna go ahead and stick the potatoes in. And they don't need a rack. You can just put them right in. And we leave it cooking for about 40 minutes to an hour. While we wait for the chicken to be ready, I'm gonna go ahead and saute some veggies. You're gonna use any type of seasoning you like. I'm gonna use black pepper, garlic salt, and Kerrygold butter. Once your pan is hot, you're gonna go ahead and put a tablespoon of butter and let that melt. Once that has melted, you're gonna put in your veggies. I would put the hardest veggies in first and softest veggies last. So I would be definitely putting in the green beans and the snap peas first, and then the rest after. Mushrooms will probably be last. That way it doesn't get so soggy. I went ahead and threw in all the grains. You're gonna go ahead and let that cook for about 3 minutes. Remember, these cook pretty fast. Depending on you, if you still want it a little bit crispy, I like to have it a little bit crispy. I don't like that to be too soggy. So I'll do about 3 minutes, then I'll go ahead and add the rest. It's been 3 minutes, so I went ahead and threw in the yellow squash. I'm gonna go ahead and cover it and let that cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Now that the squash looks softened, you're gonna go ahead and add the rest of your veggies. Once you do that, go ahead and season it with pepper, garlic salt, and of course, to your liking. And then just give that a quick minute. And just give it 2 more minutes and it should be done. And I love the color. Remember, people always eat with their eyes first. They look at something right away, they can tell if they want it or not. Yes, baby. Okay, so it's been an hour. We just pulled the chicken out and look at this. Yummy, crispy from the top. Let's see. Hear that? This is the end result. Saute veggies, crispy chicken, baked potato, and some cauliflower rice. If you want the recipe for the cauliflower rice, I do have another video. and I hope you guys try this out and enjoy. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. While I wait for the chicken to be ready, I want to show you guys what I got in the mail. Well, what I bought. They didn't send it to me. I wish. And they're all sugar-free. Like, I am a coffee hog. I love coffee, but I'm trying to cut down on my sugar, and all of them are sugar-free. Let me know if you guys want to see a video on this. I am trying to lose weight. I've been on my journey, my new spiritual, physical life change. I am just in a good place right now. If you guys have came to my channel from Yessie's channel, you know, life as Yessie, hey girl, love you. You would know, like, girl, I be staying wasted. If you know, you know. Like, she's always talking about these. I absolutely love these. These have helped me so much. And her challenges, her workout challenges have helped me so much. So let me know if you guys want to see a before or after picture. Like, your girl had some weight on her, and I did her challenge, and girl, I didn't think I lost. But when I saw those pictures, I was so, like, proud of myself. Like, I don't even want to start because I'm gonna get emotional. But let me know, comment down below. Let me know if you came from Yessie's channel. Let me know if you want to see those pictures.